how is it going? Today I'm at the front yard. I have to weed the cocoa plums, birds of paradise, coconuts. I wanted to show you the mango. Let's do this. My goal is always to pull as much root system out with the weed as possible, or with the grass, so I wouldn't have to repeat this all the time. Some of the weeds are catchy because they specifically break into the soil, so I try to dig them out. Also, it's a little labor intensive, but it's worth it because then by a week or two it's not gonna grow back. So here you can see I took off some of the dead sheets. The mulch needed to go a little bit further, 4 to 6 inch further from the palm. So I did that today. I'm really happy. I should have done that a while back. You don't want to put the mulch right next to the tree. You want to give a little space. I like to use up all the weeds and grass, compost it and turn it to black soil. Thanks for watching. I'm going to try to make a video of our friend's garden pretty soon. I made a video about a year ago or so, and you can see the progress, how much it grew, everything. So I'm planning on doing that and walk you through the garden. It's huge change, you will see it. Till then, see you guys.